Oh my gosh, guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. I got my little pigtails in. I did a little something with my KKW X Mario palette. I'm getting a little better. Hopefully you guys can see that. But I did all this because today we are making Mickey Waffles. Okay, I didn't hear the excitement from you guys. Let me say it again. Oh my gosh, today we are making Mickey Waffles. Okay, so I'm using actually my Breville waffle maker, but the recipe is, oh my gosh, feels like you are in OHANA. Tastes like you're in OHANA. If you guys did not know, I am a Disney fanatic and I love Disney World. I used to work there. I have been countless times because of course when you work there, I used to go like 4 times a week and I worked there for like 2 years. So yeah, I love Disney and I'm planning a vacation now to Disney World. I love Disney. Yes, so you get me talking about Disney, I can talk forever. And of course, we got married there. So that's how much of a Disney person that I am. And for those of you guys who love Disney, one of the iconic things at Disney is their Disney Mickey Waffles. And I wish I could find a really good, Mickey deep waffle maker. But yeah, I bought a Breville waffle maker, which I really actually love. But yeah, the recipe is, I found it on Disney Food Blog, and Disney uses a particular type of malt type of thing going on. And it's crazy good. Like yesterday, I was like, okay, no, I have to make a video about this because for those of you guys, when you're missing Disney, you can have Mickey waffles at home and they taste so good. Oh my gosh, they taste so good. So I'm a huge fan of their waffles. If you didn't know, I also had them at my wedding too. I had Mickey waffles at my wedding. Of course, it was a breakfast reception, but because of how early we got married. But yeah, I had Mickey waffles at my wedding. They're iconic and they're super good. So yes, this is a quick video, but I had to get out my Disney fanaticism and excitement over finding this. And I will put the link to Disney, I said fashion blog, food blog below, which is pretty cool. They have a YouTube channel and they have a blog. So yeah, I just found their YouTube channel and it's crazy because the lady, AJ, great voice. Like you can listen to her all day, just a side note. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's make some waffles. 5 ounces, or I do 10 tablespoons of water. I just use tap water. And you add an egg and you beat it. You see I beat it until it's kind of, it's not stiff, but there's a lot of foam. And I add the 1 cup of Carbon's Golden Malted into the water and the egg. And I add the 2 tablespoons of melted butter in there as well, and I mix it. And then we put in the waffle iron. It has this nice, I don't have to add additional water, it has this nice texture. And then we wait. And then we have 2 beautiful waffles, crispy golden brown, that taste just like Disney World. It's Disney World in my house. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these waffles. They are so good. I put some warm syrup over it. And of course, you can put some bananas or you know what they do at Disney World and make their sauces, which I haven't tried that yet. But syrup on it is They're Disney waffles and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video and I will see you next time. And I hope you enjoy your Disney waffles too. I'll put the name of everything that I did below. All right. See you guys next time. Or since this is Disney, see you real soon. Oh my gosh. I love Disney. Bye. Oh.